So, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be reviewing the Jeffree Star concealer. I am pretty excited to see how it wears, what it does, if it's like full coverage, if it can help with my wrinkles under my eyes. Who knows what is going to happen. I'm going to do a full face on camera, not just the concealer part, because I want to show you all some new products that I have and a new routine of, like, you know, makeup that I've been using recently. So here is the concealer. I have it in the shade 320. I'm actually gonna, let's swatch it. So I'm gonna swatch it here. I think that's a pretty good color. I probably could have went like a shade lighter. Honestly, I probably could have went a shade lighter. So on the website, it claims it helps even out skin tone, has 20% pigment, and can cover tattoos. Anti-aging property, help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It has an increased wear time and a self-setting effect, which keeps you looking flawless for hours. It's fragrance free, paraben free, talc free. I'm not sure what that's supposed to be. So yeah, let's just get right into this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I think I'm going to use my Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. This is one of my favorite primers. I'm going to use this in my T-zone because my pores are pretty big. That's it for that. And for foundation today, I'm going to use my CoverGirl True Blend Matte Foundation in the shade 320. I like this foundation because it's matte and it's like the only color in foundations right now that can freaking fit me. So yeah, this is what I'm working with. I didn't, so that's that. So let's move on to the Jeffree Star concealer. Like I said, it's in the shade C20. Oh wait, no, I almost forgot to set this foundation situation. No, I think I'll set after my concealer. So yeah, so we're gonna use shade C20 to highlight and conceal on my face. So let's do that. So this is what it looks like blended out. This concealer is probably gonna be one of my everyday concealers. I really love it. It looks flawless. I don't care how problematic he is in the beauty community. I feel like this is a really good concealer, and I'm probably gonna implement this concealer every day into my routine. I might have to buy another, like 1 or 2 of these, because it is pretty small compared to other concealers. It has 3.4 milliliters, and the concealer that I normally use, which is my Fenty Beauty concealer, it has 8 milliliters, and this is 3.4 milliliters. I think that's why the price point is so high. Well, low actually. It's pretty low. Because I think the Fenty Beauty concealer is like $29. This is $22. I feel like we're more so paying for like the packaging and like the whole aesthetic of it. You know, like with the crown, and it looks like a little wine, but I don't mind. Regardless, it's still a good concealer, so I'm not gonna too much get into that. I feel like it's still a good concealer. I am gonna go ahead and start contouring my nose with the shade Caramel Cutie, Fenty Rihanna, the bronzer. So let's do that. I'm gonna let that concealer sit just for a while. I'm just gonna blend this out. I'm feeling this concealer. I'm feeling this concealer. So I'm gonna set my under eyes like I normally do with my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade Banana. I was gonna use my Milk Blur and Set setting powder, but I actually want to give this concealer a chance. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do my normal products that I normally use. So I'm gonna set this, and yeah. So I'm gonna bronze with Caramel Cutie. Hello? Nothing. Well, I thought you was going to buy some water coolers.
You know what you're talking about.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
No. I'm at home. Yeah, I know. Sharice had snapped it. Sharice had snapped about it. Sharice had put it on Snapchat. Beauty, of course, another Fenty Beauty product. So let me just put that down. I'm gonna take the Dose of Colors. This is the Desi and Katie Perkins highlighter that they have with them, which is called Chasing the Sun. So I'm gonna take this Morphe brush and put this onto my face. There we go. Ooh. So I do have my own eyelash line. And the link for it will be down below. These are my eyelashes in the style Reese Cup. Let me just bring them closer. They're real natural, really pretty. I've used these before, but they are reusable. They are 100% mink. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these. I bought this eyelash glue off Amazon. It's a really good eyelash glue. I love it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply these lashes really quick, and then I'll be back with the final review for the Jeffree Star concealer. Plus I'll be zoomed in and you all will be able to see my face is flawless right now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some Fenty Beauty, the Moscow Mule and Ginger Binge onto my face to act as a blush, because I hate blush, but it's a highlighter that kind of looks like a blush. It has like that pinky effect to it. I'm just gonna rub it in like that. My face is like already shining. I don't know why. I am overloading. I'm overdoing it right now. I think it might have been that Desi, Katie Perkins, and then I use like a really heavy highlighter brush, but in the end I think that it pulled together. It looks really good. I look really natural besides my highlight. I don't know how to fix this right now. It might just be the lighting, because this is like, look, it's kind of an overload, but I think for the most part it does look good. If you want to purchase my lashes, they will be in the bottom. The concealer, I'm so ready to see how this will hold up throughout the night. I think it's a good look. I think, you know, I think I look good. Like my wig. Want to see my wig? But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. So this is me from behind the camera. I don't know why I look so orange right now, but I'm gonna probably turn this into like a little vlog. I look so flawless right now. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I look really flawless. I freaking love this concealer, and I really feel like it's the concealer that got me loving my makeup look. But you know what I am gonna do? I'm gonna order a shade down, and I'm also gonna order another shade like this one, and I may order a shade up to act as a color corrector. But for the most part, I always normally crease like as soon as I put my makeup on, but this is not that bad. It's like it normally looks. So let's hope that this holds up for the rest of the day. I'm sorry for no outro, but if y'all want to purchase my lashes, the link will be in the bio, in my description. I said my bio, like come on now, in my description. So yeah.